How you doing, guys? And welcome to another episode. This episode is gonna be really quick and simple. 2018 Toyota RAV4. I'm gonna show you how to replace the lights for the reverse. If you can see right there, stock bulbs, they look like yellow. They look, in my opinion, bad because I really don't like them. You guys know. So I'm gonna show you how to replace them in this 2018 Toyota RAV4. Okay guys, if you saw, the reverse lights are on the bottom in these RAV4s. You can see right there, all the way in the bottom bumper. So you gotta go underneath and remove the light bulb. Right here, underneath, if you see right here, this black cable, that's where the bulb for the reverse light goes. So you just gotta reach in there and gotta twist it to the left, go all the way in. Once you twist it to the left, that's where the bulb is gonna be. So really easy to do. Now I had to remove it and put the new one. So there you have the old one, and then we have the new ones. If you remember a few episodes back, when I replaced the ones in my Subaru, I bought a package with 4, and this is the other 2. Obviously I removed the ones on the Impreza, but this is the other 2 that it came in that package. So it's the same as the stock one in these RAV4s. So I just gotta replace them. In the passenger side, you have the exhaust right here, and right next to the exhaust is gonna be the connection right there. So there you have the LED. It's working. That's the driver's side. You see right there, that's the passenger side. So I just gotta put them back on, and I'm gonna show you the end result. Okay guys, I just finished putting them back on the car. Remember, make sure that you put them back and twist it, because they are on the bottom. So when it rains, if you don't put it back the right way, you might get some water into the casing. So make sure that you put them back on it, twist it, so it gets a really good seal. So now guys, I'm gonna put the reverse, and you're gonna see the difference from stock to this one. This one look amazing. See now guys, that's the LEDs for the reverse light. Whoa, day and night, huh? What do you guys think? Now officially we have LEDs everywhere. Last episode I put the ones on the license plate. Now we finished with the reverse light. So everything LED in this truck. So guys, I hope you like this quick little episode. Really easy to do, and once you change from stock to LEDs, everything looks different. So I hope you like this one guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.